Nature is in my DNA. It's my wellness, it's my joy, but being from the city, that makes it difficult. I have to make a conscious effort to get outdoors. Whether it's a day trip, whether I have to pack and go for a longer adventure, I disconnect from my city life so that I can reconnect with myself. For a lot of first and second generation Latinx people, I think that many of us have experienced this feeling of juggling two worlds, of inherited tradition and modern day routine. You watch the relationship that our abuelitas have with nature, with plants, family recipes, remedies. So when I go outdoors and I'm surrounded by nature, I feel connected with my ancestry. As an Afro-Latina, so much of my holistic influences and appreciation for nature is connected to African and indigenous roots. The more I take time to disconnect, the more I notice my own relationship with nature growing. My gift to myself is the outdoors. When I am on a hike or surrounded by nature, I'm getting to know who I am.